Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to pop your Ford Fusion hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside the cabin, typically on the driver's side, near the footwell. It's usually marked with a car icon and an open hood. Pull this lever firmly towards you until you hear a click, indicating the primary latch has released. Now, head to the front of your Ford Fusion to complete the process. Once at the front of your car, look under the front edge of the hood, directly above the grille. You'll find a small secondary safety latch. This latch prevents the hood from flying open accidentally. Depending on your Fusion model, you'll either push this lever to the side or lift it upwards. With the secondary latch disengaged, you can now gently lift the hood. After lifting the hood, you'll need to secure it in the open position. Look for the hood prop rod, usually located along the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Carefully remove the prop rod from its clip. Then, insert the end of the prop rod into the designated hole on the underside of the hood or fender. Make sure the hood is stable and securely propped open before working on your vehicle. To close the hood, first remove the prop rod from its support hole and secure it back in its original clip. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 6 to 8 inches above the closed position. Don't just drop it. For some great deals, including the best socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the links in the description below. Finally, press down firmly on the center of the hood until you hear a distinct click, confirming both latches are engaged and the hood is securely closed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.